51-year-old woman dies in suspicious circumstance at Thiam Konjin under Irilbong police station. Debtor of the deceased arrested on suspicion. Fire consumes 12 shops at Mayang Imphal Bazaar, Konchak, Awang Lekai. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Birane assures of necessary assistance to victims. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association urges government to change existing policy of providing subsidized fertilizers only to farmers holding land pata. Imphal West Commando team arrest former Technopal DC A. Tombi Kanta on charges of corruption yesterday. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Birane leads people in planting fruit saplings at Kangla Fort, names the orchard Nura Haikul. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Laithangma Monica with the latest news updates. A woman has been reportedly murdered by her debtor. The deceased is identified as 51-year-old Mayang Lambam Ningol Khetrimayum Ongbi Sumati, wife of Deben from Brahmapur Bhagyabati Lekai of Imphal East. The murder occurred at Thiam Konjin under Irilbong police station in Imphal East district yesterday. Impact News sources said one Laimuzam Amubi from Brahmapur Thangapat Mapal picked up Sumati from her residence about 3 p.m. yesterday on the pretext of paying back her debt. Later, Sumati's body was found lying on the roadside around 9 p.m. A team of Irilbong police station and Manipur forensic science team rushed to the spot to inspect the incident. The body was then taken to Jennings mortuary and police registered a case into the murder. Amubi has been arrested by police on suspicion. Locals have formed a JSC against the incident. Prime suspects in Khetrimayum Sumati murder case, Laimayum Amubi and her husband Laimayum Indrajit were produced before duty magistrate today. The magistrate has approved to keep them in police custody for 8 days. A major fire broke out at Mayang Imphal Bazaar, Konchak, Awang Lekai under Mayang Imphal police station in Imphal West district yesterday. Fire gutted down 12 shops, 1 van, 1 gypsy, 2 Activa and 1 scooter, while people managed to save 4 other shops and a house. The incident occurred around 10:30 p.m. Impact News sources said that spark from an electric short circuit must have flamed a nearby petrol shop. Fire tender of Manipur Fire Service and Mayang Imphal police personnel rushed to the spot and battled with the fire and managed to stop the fire from spreading further. Properties worth around 1 crore rupees were consumed in the fire. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Birane today inspected the site where fire gutted down 12 shops yesterday at Mayang Imphal Bazaar, Konchak, Awang Lekai. Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker K.H. Robindro, DGP Manipur LM Kote and top government officials accompanied the Chief Minister. Speaking to media, the Chief Minister Nongthongban Bireen assured of extending necessary assistance to the victims of the fire mishap. He assured of helping them in getting loans if they ever want to get it. The Chief Minister appealed to people to use fire cautiously. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association has urged government to change state policy of providing subsidized fertilizers to farmers. The association stated that the existing policy of providing fertilizers by the relevant departments only to farmers who own paddy land document is unjust. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association President S. Ratan Kumar warned that farmers of the state will stir up under the initiative of the association if government fails to meet their demand by June 30. He termed the existing policy as unreasonable by asserting that all farmers of the state do not own land documents. He claims that around 90% farmers of the state, including many farmers of the hills, do not own land patta. Ratan Kumar appeals to distribute the subsidized fertilizers to all farmers equally.
Pata paidaba chingmi amadi tamigi area da leiriba longmi sing asigi har phangnabagi policy amadi tungboina policy making ama chathadri bauti ngasi state government na piriba har gi khongthang amadi tangka asi lepi MRP gi maximum retail price haiba sida gi hentoktana private gi area da aheba mamanda leiriba mayam ama sing asisu government lepkhiba rate asida phanggadabni haiba ji thabak oina masi sanghalani MLA minister sing moi taramatoi train thoi mu quota gi type ta har si mokoina lokthokle ngasi gi newspaper da quota lamkhai da more gi commando na phadana harbek sama ga marfu sing asi karai degi lak lebno haibasi ngasi gi lengak na athuba matamda lebak miyang khangna masi work pa machumgani.
Irabot Foundation in a press release held the government responsible for the prevailing artificial scarcity of rice and inability of farmers to enhance food products. Condemning that subsidized fertilizers provided by the government failed to reach genuine beneficiaries, the foundation urged the relevant authority to look into the matter. Mahut Commissioner M. Joy highlighted on various projects taken up under the 4-year-old urban flagship mission in Manipur. Speaking to media during a press meet held at City Convention Center, Palace Compound today, M. Joy stated that there are 3 projects, PMAYU, Amrut and Smart City Mission under the mission. He said that PMAYU is a housing project that will be accomplished within 2022 to benefit all 27 urban local bodies in Manipur, and Amrut project under IMC will supply water in all the 27 wards. Officers assigned to look into various projects under the mission also attended the press meet.
Manipur local bodies pulapna 27 ni kunga tare ni si manungda khwaidagi sauba urban local body amar oribasi khoi Impal Municipal Corporation ni adanga si phawda aikoina ministry na sanction toba akoi house masing si 42,651 ni sigi manungda 13,715 na 1/3 gumbadi adum akoi gi Impal Municipal Corporation gi ado hujik phawda leiriba akoi gi status si 29,700 beneficiary di aikoina MIS portal da akoi PMU housing gi sigumba mission sigi MIS portal amalai masida aikoina test storage around 70% magi total house masing 42,651 manungda 29,700 si akoi Manipur le
Imphal West Commando arrested former DC of Technopol District A. Tombikanta from Chingmairong on charges of corruption yesterday. Tombikanta was arrested under the instruction of the Home Ministry. He has been handed over to Tecnopal police. It may be mentioned that the new DC of Tecnopal and Chief Secretary had filed a complaint against Tombikanta on charges of misappropriation of funds meant to be given as compensation to beneficiaries of the road extension project of National Highway 102 in 2018. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association has urged the state government to give a definite clarification as to whether Home Guards will be given their rightful allowance or not. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association President Y. Mangi urged the government to instruct the relevant authorities to release their rightful salary. It has already decided for the same. He also drew the attention of the government to conduct proper promotion procedure and streamlining of Home Guard personnel.
Bharat Sarkar na piradawani hairaba Supreme Court na pihro hairaba paisa se hojik atai yena ningai leitre Manipur Sarkar gi Home Department da koina haijariba amadi home bu yengchanbiriba Manipur gi Honorable Chief Minister gi nakongda haijariba di Home Guard ki paisa toloba se hengkat pai chumi natraga chumde haibagi aroiba order amadi athuba matamda pithok piro yai hairgani yai haibagi pibiro yadi hairgani yadi haibagi pibiro aruga mari leinaba document hangiba singa se Home Guard personnel singi interesta pibham thoi haibasi khanbiraga pinanabagi instruction ju Home Department gi official mari lenaba singda Honorable Chief Minister na masiju akanba yathangama tawhunjani.
Konglei Park Students Association KSA today seized large quantity of expired food items from Pongna Market and Masjid Road. Shops were found selling expired, relabeled food products and products without any expiry or manufacturing dates. The confiscated items include best quality Tiptur Copra, Centerfield, cup noodles and other confectionery items. Speaking to media, KSA Sports Secretary Kulakpam Sanjoy accused non-local traders of adulterating food products. He warned them against such incident in future. Sanjoy asserted that mere existence of Food Safety Department without performing its duty is meaningless. Members of Joint Students Coordinating Committee JSCC, a conglomerate of MSU, MSF, SUK and KSA, confiscated tobacco products and liquor from shops within 100-meter radius of educational institutions today. Drives were carried out near educational institutions on Uripok Kangchup Road and Imphal Ziri Road. Executive member of JSCC Sundar Kuman stated that the drives were carried out to curb substance abuse among students. He said that the JSCC will continue such drive and appealed to public to extend cooperation.
100 meter की मनूंग सिंदा लाइव मफम सिंदा निशा की पोलम सिंगा सी योन बा द अथिंग बा थम खरे अदुगी मतुंग तारक बोइना अखोइना अथिंग बा थम बा मतुंग दा लाइरिब मफम सिंगा सी दा अखोइना ड्राइव चथदुना निशा की पोलम सिंगा सी फागत बा मांगन तागन बगी थबक सिंग चतरी अदु मसी अखोइना तौरगे हेक्ता निशा की पोलम सिंगा सी अखोइना पुंगमुन मुथतप ngam हाइबदि नचदे खरा मै खैदो अरबसु हंथब ngam खंदुना जॉइंट स्टूडेंट कोऑर्डिनेशन कमिटी ना हाइरिब अखोइगी कैंपेन असी चथबने.
A district-level sensitization meet on reducing violence and promoting access to justice for LGBTIQ communities was held at ADR Building, Lamphel Court Complex today. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association, Amana, Empowering Transability, ETA, and Solidarity and Action Against the HIV Infection in India, Saathi jointly organized a meeting. Resource persons in the event stressed on violence meted out to LGBTIQ communities and their welfare programs. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Nura Haikol at the Kangla Fort. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthong Bireen today led people in planting around 700 tree saplings at Biodiversity Park of Kangla and named the site as Nura Haikol. The Chief Minister also renamed the rock garden inside Kangla as Ingelei Laikol. Speaking in the event organized by Kangla Board in association with the Forest Department, Chief Minister Nongthong Bireen stated that the tree plantation drive was carried out as a part of the Green Manipur mission, which was recently launched by the BJP-led state government with an aim to enrich the place with indigenous fruit-bearing trees. He stated that over 10,000 tree saplings will be planted at Kangla under the mission. Bireen appealed to the relevant department to assign an officer to look after the tree saplings planted today. The Chief Minister also inaugurated an LED board manufactured by Information Technology Private Limited installed at the western gate of the Kangla Fort. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantikumar, recently elected member of the Kangla Board, CF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, MLAs and top officials attended the event.
Kangla Board ki matung ina Kangla sida di koi indigenous name thamje na torkan koi Ingelei garden na songi makha thangbosi on kre ana sigi ngasi thari basi biodiversity park ana leirambani ana masi si koi maruina ahan Otwa Bahadur aduga Waza Joy Kumar aduga board ki kanga hising mayam tanar matung ida sigi ngasi thari basi koi ki indigenous soiba Nura Haikon haidana adamaina thon si haidana adamaina koi isina malawe isina mayam aya pipi na badum da thamjari Manipur ki leibiri mayam na Green Manipur mission sida involved to biraga support to biraga environmentally Manipur se global warming da karida counter to the mating pamanu hona minasi.
Responding to media query on the prevailing issues of Dhanamanjuri University, Chief Minister Nongthong Bireen assured to ease various inconveniences facing the students of the university, including lack of a regular Vice-Chancellor of the university. He asserted that the Education Minister has been apprised to resolve the issue. Bireen appealed to people and students not to boycott the university, but to resolve matters in an amicable manner.
I student bodies in the Natongi, at the Kuduk the Tingy, Kuduk the Tingy, Kuduk do Tore, Posi, Sigi culture, Tadoxe, grievances problem, Dukainoido, Equator Hana Kangaraga, Haminaraga, Saturday Wopani, Academy Institution, the Carida, Education Minister to High Gravani, I'm to Hamaga Sorato, everything college over, Aquay tolerate or in the mine high. I'm to Sorato.
Meanwhile, students of 5 colleges affiliated to Dhanamanjuri University have joined the movement initiated by AMSU against lack of infrastructure and staff of the university, which is yet to be affiliated to Association of Indian Universities (AIU). Students agitated in front of the DM College of Arts today. Speaking on the sidelines, AMSU HRD Secretary Bruce Pabam condemned the government for failing to provide adequate infrastructure and staff to DM University even after 1 year of initiation of the university session. He also mentioned about the ongoing cease work strike by some teachers of the university to fulfill their various demands. Bruce said that their agitation was necessitated in the wake of the deplorable condition of the university. He warned that their movement will continue until and unless their demands are fulfilled.
DM University asigi UGC gi guidelines makhada select tauba regular VC lete regular registrar lete academic council lete syndicate members lete academic council item se maram orakanda mahirongi syllabus yang sei ama hela fi phawda approve tawduna thamli amasum hawjik laiba fibam asida adukimatik luba yamna responsible yaudaba lenga ke amasum DM authority gi mami am saung tari sei ama hela si phawda mahiron myam gi registration number pidriba registration number pidab se maram orakanda mapalam da koina e zone gi level da national level gi international level gi sana khona bagi natrakanda na cultural items ki activities mayam sa pamatam da university se association of Indian universities AIU da su affiliate tawde masina maram orakanda mahiro myam na phangli ba DMU gi certificate natrakanda DMU gi mahiro ama oita di akhoi gi laiba akhoi mahiro ama se magi sina pham leitaba magi activities participate tawba ya da ba musung kanga thang oiba ya gi film da hojik lai.
Catholic School Student Transporters Welfare Union in a press release urged parents and guardians not to let their children be ferried by school vans without yellow sticker. People stage a sit-in at Lamkai Kaitel of Yanglam Wabagai demanding inclusion of Wabagai High School among schools selected under School Phagad Hansi mission of the state government. The protest meet was carried out under the initiative of Yanglam Gram Panchayat and Wabagai Gram Panchayat. Taking part in the protest, convener of the Demand Committee on School Phagad Hansi Mission, M. Jayantikumar, stressed on the significance of Wabagai High School by stating that children from Mayang Imphal, Yanglam and Wabagai study in the school. Urging the government to improve the school under the mission, the convener also warned that the local residents under the two GPs will initiate various forms of agitations if government failed to meet their demands.
Manipur ki Kendra Humpu ki Manungda Kendra Mamamda school English mission hapasida Wabagai High School yahan dio high school si higher secondary ki thakta solution amaga samapan mogda tarukta gina solution ni tara phawwa higher secondary ki thakta lai solution ni tara ga mathoi gi hojik si amuk downgrade tawraga laikhre hana higher secondary oidan laijaram ba si higher secondary ki thakta amu hana hingalan bio Wabagai High School bu school English mission sida yahan do ya de haibagi akan ba iho sangchilakane.
PA of Kurai MLA S. Somendro condemned the contractor cum proprietor of MS and Enterprises for refuting that there is no misappropriation of food grains provided under NFSA for 2017-18 as claimed by the Kurai MLA. Speaking to media during a press meet held at Kurai Tunsit Road today, Somendro maintained that proprietor L. Hemanta earlier claimed that rice grains for the previous years were all distributed to beneficiaries, and now he is declaring that there is rice for 5 months quota. Somendro also stated that upon inquiring the district supply officer of CAF and PD, it was told that 21-month rice quota were already distributed for the previous year. But since the beneficiaries in Kurai constituency got rice for only 14 months, the local MLA raised a complaint on behalf of the people. The PA further claimed that even Kurai nominee Y. Thoi Thoi accepted his involvement in the misappropriation.
Contractor masana su thamanga gi cheng mangon da leiri na mutak bire mamang da koine complaint tawruba matam du da di leitre mangre na haiba de gi koina posi khara sera sone lok pune hobik di mangon da thamanga gi leire na mutak bire thamanga gi leire hajina ta idi posi akoi da piraktri haiba du chume du masana haijare aduka muksu posi phangde na complaint tawriba MLA si ju mu yumpham yaude haibire ani gi contradiction jine ba koina phongdok ni se aduna Kurai kendra gi MLA na praja gi Saktung Pangde and Hairogamana, Hairwafam, Yupam Sogde and Habirakoze, Masia, the Labak Tibani, Aduga, Kurai Kendrigo in a sing and Togichin, Tobasti da Quena Kendrigo in a nomino in a quickie, Toitoiba, Masi Kanbase, Maksuk, Tangmatic Chad and Palman and Hanging Mana, Swabedigi, Contractor Gamagalo, Tunoraga, Sugumba, Kudong Sadabase, Masia, Kendra, the Twanbani, I Tamzak.
Construction of office building of Kamtang Women Weaver Cooperative Society Limited at Wangpai Laikai in Moreh Ward number 7 of Tengnopal district is nearing completion. However, lack of proper fence and retaining walls of the building, which stands on a river bank, has caused apprehension among the society members. Society President Romita Mate appealed to authority concerned to fence and construct proper retaining walls of the society building to prevent its collapse. Locals of Ketrigao constituency handed over miscreants who came to purchase intoxicants like World is Yours tablet, heroin number 4 and SP tablets to the police today. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Ketrigao Makhalekai Muslim Chanura Association, Thoibi Sana stated that a total of 100 miscreants were handed over to Porompat police, including today on the third day of their ongoing anti-drugs drive conducted at Ketrigao Yumkhaibam Makhalekai, Kaiku Makha, Kaiku Awang and Sabal Lekai. She stated that locals carried out the drives in association with Yumkhaibam Athletic Development Association under the initiative of local MLA and Indrajit with an aim to build a healthy society. Thoibi Sana condemned those drug peddlers and drug users who threatened the volunteers during their drive. She urged the police and relevant departments to extend cooperation in their effort to curb the menace of drug abuse in the constituency.
Khoina nisasi thingakpada moida kayam kai khrage khoya kai basu taude lakai gi phanana bani chai su kalhau sena hona bani Manipur imalai bakta lairisi charaga loina mapunsi keng phidore Manipur kanana kalhauni haibe wakhalon dai khone isa singchi kannaba hotnabada ikhoida apanba yamna pi ngarang nini suba numita khutphau thai wana chada thaktam khai mayang be phanaba hotna riba sidang ngang singda khutphau thai aikhoida miyang nataba yengi wangang nataba ngangi masi yam pende laibak ke damakta tawbani khon tawbasi aikhoi sage khanbana te lanai gi wafam kaisu leite miyam ge phanana basinbani laikai na su support tawbiu miyam na su support tawbiu mari laina ba authority amasung policing amadi mayam na su mateng khara pangbiu.
113 Battalion BSF today conducted awareness programs in collaboration with Narcotics Control Bureau Imphal Unit ahead of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Drug Trafficking, which falls on June 26. Commandant of 113 Battalion BSF Hidam Subol presided the awareness programs held at Loktak and Churachandpur. Attendees of the program were enlightened about the negative impact of drug abuse and ways to combat drug menace. Commandant Subol assured the NCD of all possible assistance in curbing drug menace in areas under the unit. Officers and Jawans of the battalion pledged not to abuse drugs and to raise awareness on drug abuse on the occasion. A combined team of Hairok Police and Thoubal Commando led by additional SP of Thoubal Police seized huge quantity of illicit liquor in Hairok area yesterday. The team confiscated 131 bottles of 180 ml Officer's Choice pure grain whiskey, 8 bottles of 375 ml number 1 rum, 18 bottles of 371 ml of Old Monk rum, 22 bottles of 180 ml McDowell rum, 29 bottles of 375 ml Officer's Choice Blue Whiskey, 22 cans of 500 ml Diablo beer from one Wairokpam Chauktoi, son of W. Muhindro of Hairok Part 2, Litan Makong, and 160 liters of local made DIC liquors from various local vendors of Hairok. 26th Sector Assam Rifles Chandel Battalion conducted a free medical camp at Little Drops Life Children Home, Natham in Chandel district yesterday. 9th Sector Assam Rifles Thoubal Battalion also organized a medical camp at Orphan Home Rural Development and Educational Organization IRDEO at Wangbal in Thoubal district. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. 51-year-old woman dies in suspicious circumstance at Thiam Konjin under Irbung police station. Doctor of the deceased arrested on suspicion. Fire consumes 12 shops at Mayang Imphal Bazaar, Konchakawang Lekai. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiray assures of necessary assistance to victims. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association urges government to change existing policy of providing subsidized fertilizers only to farmers holding land pata. Imphal West Commando team arrest former Technopal DC Etong Bikanta on charges of corruption yesterday. And Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren leads people in planting fruit saplings at Kangla Fort, names the orchards Nura High Court.